Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix slow download speeds in Windows 11. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Start menu, type Settings, and select the Settings window. Go to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi, and select your current connection. Scroll down to find Metered Connection and make sure it's turned off. Next, close the window, go back to Start, and search for Data Usage. Click Data Usage Overview, then scroll to see a list of apps using your network. Uninstall apps you don't need as they may be slowing down your internet in the background. Now go to Start again, search for Control Panel, and open it. Set View by to large icons, then click Network and Sharing Center. Select Change Adapter Settings, right-click your connection, select Properties, and choose Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties, choose Use the following DNS addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Now close all of this and go back to your desktop, then search for CMD and click on Run as administrator and type ipconfig /flush DNS, then press Enter. Also, disconnect from any VPNs as they can reduce speed. So that's basically how you can fix slow download speeds in Windows 11. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.